Hi, this is Patricia with the Crazy Cat Lady Crochet and Crafts channel, and this is my cat, Jackson. Come here, boy. There you go. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on my link. And here we go with today's video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a stitch that I've done in this afghan. See, right here, this stitch here. I don't know if you can see it that good. There you go. I call this the half double crochet crossover. I'm making an afghan and I'm using the half double crochet stitch, as you can tell. And I just wanted a nice little detail to break up the monotony of having the same stitch through the whole afghan. And so the first stitch is just going to be a half double crochet. You just wrap your yarn around your hook, insert it into the opening, draw up another loop, and pull through all loops. Now for the crossover, we're going to skip the next stitch, which is that one, and we're going to crochet into the next stitch, which is that one. So wrap your yarn around your hook. Don't crochet into this one right now, crochet into this one. And just do your half double crochet as normal. And then for the next stitch, we're going to do a half double crochet into the skipped stitch, that one. And just do your half double crochet as normal. And it makes this cute little detail stitch. When you get several of them, they make a nice decoration. Let's see, where's the next row at? There we go. Turn this face up. This is a row of them. Let's see if I can zoom into that for you. There we go. This row right here. I'm keeping my finger there for a guide. And we'll do one more together, and then I'm going to pause the video. Once I get to the end of this row, I'll show you how to crochet over the top of it, for those of you that would like to know. So those right there is what I've done so far. Let me change one turn. To complete your row of your crossover, half double crochets, half double crochet, crossover, whatever you want to call it. You chained one and turned, then you just crochet half double crochets as normal. Makes a nice stitch. That's the back of it. Here's the front. Pan it a little bit so you can see it better. And that is your half double crochet crossover. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please click on subscribe. If you'd like to be notified of more videos coming out by me, please click on the notification bell and be sure to share my videos with your friends. Have a nice day.